Hey you guys, Educator Homesteader here. All right, you guys, I am getting my pepper transplants in the raised bed, you guys. And I have so many peppers to plant up. In this bed, I think I have 18. Yep, 18 peppers to plant up in here. And I'm going to go in close so you can see what each pepper is. So this is going to be one of my pepper lanes. And I did do this maybe last year or the year before, but I also had sowed some cucumbers in this bed along with the peppers, and I believe that was a no-no. So this year I am definitely working harder to get a better yield when it comes to peppers. So I'm going to be sowing up 18 in this bed, and then in the raised bed area on my left side, on my right side, and my gray buckets, I'm also going to be sowing probably about 12 down that line in the gray buckets as well. So I'm not sure how many variety of peppers that I have, but I know I got a lot of peppers. So I plan on being very successful with peppers this year. I want my peppers to be looking like Queen Mother from Queen Mother Cheryl Food Forest. I want my peppers to be looking nice and voluptuous like hers. All right, you guys. So check this out. I have an AUGER, you guys, and if you guys don't have one of these, it's a must in the garden. Let me tell you, I bust out my holes so fast, probably in less than 3 minutes, getting these holes drilled in with the AUGER. And I also have this was a 2-piece set, and I should have did a video on it, but I also have the bigger drill bit that is good for trees as well. So if you don't have one of these, you should have one. It'll make your life very much easier as far as digging holes in the garden, and I so love it. So let me tell you guys what I put in each one of my holes. I use some mycorrhizae, and I put like maybe a tablespoon in each hole. I also use my bone meal and blood meal, which I mix together in this bucket, and some azomite as well. So this will get them off to a great start. Usually mycorrhizae, I usually use a lot of this in the orchard area when I am putting my trees in the ground. And this is actually a granular form. They do have another form that is powdered up that you can use as well. And according to this package, it can feed up to 150 plants. So I'm definitely beginning to use my amendments sparingly, because I tend to be heavy-handed when it comes to fertilizers and amendments, just amendments, period. I also put some worm castings in each one of the holes. So what I'm going to do now is start getting them in the holes. And after I get them all in the hose, I will bring you guys a little clip on it all finished up. So let's see what we got here. We got the poblano ancho. We have the Park Sweet Wonder green pepper. We have the Chocolate Beauty. I did try this, but I haven't had a great success with peppers. Not sweet peppers. Hot peppers, yes. Okay, this is the Blushing Beauty. I have 2 of those. The Big Bertha, 2 of those. Sweet Banana, Sweet Pimento. The California Wonder, the green and the red, sweet. The Yellow Bell, sweet. The Purple Beauty. And also some hot ones over here, the habanero and the macho nacho. So a lot of my heats are on the other side, which I could have just focused on sweets on this end and heat on the other side, and maybe next year I'll do something like that, so I know where everything is at. But I'm really excited about growing peppers this season, because this is, I think, my 4th season of growing peppers, and I really want this one to be a very big success this year. So what I will be doing is removing leaves from the bottom of like these, because these are tall already. Then I will pinch them off on the top. to get them to grow vigorously and, you know, voluptuously. I will top those off as well. And that's what we're looking like, you guys. So these are my hoes filled with mycorrhizae, bone meal, blood meal, nitrogen, phosphorus, all the good stuff, and some worm castings. So let me get this planted up, you guys, and I will bring you a finished look of what it's looking like. Alrighty, see you soon. Okay, you guys, we are on the right side of the raised bed area in the other pepper lane, and I have here 8 buckets of peppers. Let's see, we have on this side, we have the big Bertha Bell. So we have that would be the green, and I think we got 2 of those on the other side. Over here we have the Carmen Sweet, we have the Pretty Sweet, we have another Pretty Sweet, and the Poblano Ancho. I'm looking forward to growing these because I buy these in the store a lot because I do a lot of Mexican dishes. So I'm looking forward to growing these. And over here we have the Chili Fresno, 2 of those, and then the Red Ghost, and we already know that's a super hot one, the Red Ghost. And then we have the Marconi, the Cubanelle, another Red Ghost. I probably need to put him on the other side, switch those out. And then we have 4 Serranos right here, and Shitchito, and then the Kanye. So we have 4 of those and 1 of those, so there'd be 5 in this bucket. So on this side we're actually sowing, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 peppers on this side, you guys. So yeah, Essie is looking for a great harvest with peppers this season. So I'm gonna get these planted up, and again I'm gonna add the same thing: worm castings, mycorrhizae, bone meal, blood meal, and get these off to a good start. And I'm gonna also add some slow release fertilizer inside the hole, as well as top dress them. So let me get these planted up, and then I will definitely bring you guys a finished look on this side as well. All right, you guys, SCK the Homesteader is back, and I have all 59 of my peppers sewed up, 18 on this side and more on that side. That adds up to 59. All right, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. As you can see, I top dressed it with some slow release fertilizer. Don't forget to put slow release fertilizer in your hole, and then top dress it after you close your transplant up. So I did use my fish fertilizer 511, and I also used some Supa Thrive, which is similar to the fish fertilizer. So I combined both of those and gave them a good drink of water, and I also used my water hose to water it in some more. And let's go to the other side so you guys can see what it's looking like over there. But again, I have 18 plants in this area, and I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a variety of 13 over here. Okay, and I guess I will total all of them up eventually to see the variety. Right now I am running out of gas, so let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, yeah, about 21, a variety of 21 peppers. That's close to it. I may be wrong by 1 or 2, off 1 or 2, but that's the variety between 20 and 22 different peppers. So this is what it's looking like on this side. And actually, you guys, look at this right here, but I just watered it in, gave it a good drink of water. But this is my chocolate mint, and once the water dry out some and they drink, these are gonna pop up, and they look so pretty. It's so much of them. So I'm gonna start harvesting my chocolate mint. So this is what it's looking like over here. And again, 511 slow release, quick feed, and then slow release. So these should be really off to a good start. I think I took more time and I learned more about growing peppers in my 4th year of growing. So I'm looking for a really good turnout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to grow peppers in containers and raised beds. And this is SDK the Homesteader. I got more work to do and more content to bring to you guys. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.